Let me show you how to fix the common connection problems with Eufy C10. So first thing is to make sure that you have downloaded the proper app for your Eufy robot. So for me it's called Eufy Clean, and for you probably as well. You can find it in Google Play Store or App Store. Make sure to download this app made by Anchor. Then when you have that app ready, we can open it and start adding our device. So next step that may be causing a problems is the permissions for the app. So make sure that you've granted all of the permissions necessary to connect your robot. You can do it by opening a settings on your smartphone device, move down until we find the apps section, and then look for manage apps. Now in the search apps, enter Eufy. Select your app and then go to the app permissions. Now make sure that you have allowed location permission only when using the app, and nearby devices also needs to be allowed. Now we can move to the other permissions, and here we have permanent notifications on. And also in app permissions, no, it's fine. Okay, so that's how it should look like, and then this should fix problems as well. Let's go and try to pair my Eufy C10 right here to the app. So what we need to do is open the app after we've given all of the permissions and select Add Device. Go to the search and type in C10. And we need to select this specific robot. Now make sure that your robot is powered on, and there's two ways that you can do it. First one is to click and hold the power button for 3 seconds, and after that you will need to wait a while until you hear a voice prompt that your device is on. There will be also a music along the way. So you can do it that way, but if you're having a problems with it, I just recommend to connect your robot manually to the charging station. I have my charging station right here. It's connected to the power, and then we just need to slide it in so that it's connected to the station. Your LED lamp right here will blink, and now we need to wait until we have that prompt that our device is on. Okay, so that music confirms that our device is on, so we need to select powered on and move to the next step. Here we need to reset the Wi-Fi network for our robot. So you can do it simply by clicking on the home button and power button at the same time.
Wi-Fi has been reset.
There's a prompt. And now after that prompt we can confirm that reset is completed and move to the next step. From here, we need to connect our device with Bluetooth. So that means we need to enable Bluetooth for our phone. Make sure that the Bluetooth is active. It depends on the device, your smartphone device. You need to find Bluetooth and make sure that it says on. And after that, we'll be able to find our Eufy on the list and click on connect. Here, next step is to connect to Wi-Fi, and this may be a common problems issue, as the only compatible Wi-Fi networks are 2.4. If you're using 5G networks, it won't work. So find a 2.4 network, click on it, and then enter a password for your network. The password needs to be correct. Just confirm it a few times that you have a correct password, and when you do, click on next. Now our device will begin connecting, and from here we'll need to wait around 1 minute until the connection process is finished. And that's all of the problems, common problems with connecting your Eufy C10 with your phone. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.